Building an authority blog with just AI and strategy is easier than you might think, and in this 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If you're looking for a way to start a blog that stands out and ranks high, stick around because I'm giving you the exact steps and tools you need to get it done without spending hours on manual work. First, let's talk about the power of AI in content creation. You need to choose a topic that's both broad enough to target a large audience and niche enough to build authority. Using AI tools, like the one I'll recommend in the description, can help you generate content ideas in seconds. These tools analyze search volume, trends, and competition to give you the best topics to target. Don't waste time guessing what your audience wants. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Next, we need to generate quality blog posts. Once you've picked your topic, use AI to write engaging and informative articles. Our software can create drafts in minutes that you can then refine and optimize. It's crucial to add your unique voice to make it stand out. AI can give you a great starting point, but you need to personalize the content and align it with your brand's tone. Now, let's talk strategy. To build authority, consistency is key. Publish high-quality content regularly and ensure it's optimized for SEO. With AI, you can streamline this process. It will help you pick the right keywords and optimize your posts for search engines. But don't forget the human touch. It's important to write with your audience in mind, not just for algorithms. For the authority aspect, building backlinks and networking with other influencers in your niche is crucial. You want your blog to be seen as a trusted resource. AI can help with outreach by generating personalized emails or messages for link building campaigns, making the process faster and more efficient. Once your content is out there, AI can also help track its performance. Use AI tools to monitor analytics, identify which posts are performing well and which ones need optimization. Based on this data, you can adjust your strategy to keep your blog growing. If you want to follow along with the exact AI tools I'm using, I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description below, only for viewers of this channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. To recap, building an authority blog with only AI and strategy boils down to 3 main points: choosing the right niche and topics with AI, creating content efficiently using AI while adding your personal touch, and using SEO and networking strategies to build authority. The key takeaway here is that building authority isn't about working harder, but working smarter, leveraging AI to help you create content, optimize it, and grow your blog with less effort. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.